We just got $100 of mystery mini brands from Showcase. We're gonna open them up in this video. These are the brand new ones. We got the Mega Gross Minis. Let's open them. These are the rarest Mega Gross Minis you can find, the burger and the noodle cup. Do you think we're gonna find them in this video? Watch the end to find out. We're gonna start with the Mega Gross Minis because each of these are supposed to be really gross. All right, we got this one open. Oh, they come in trash bags. Look, that's so cute. You get slime too, you get barf slime. Let's open the slime. This is gross. Don't eat this, guys. Ew, look at that, ew. That's nasty. Oh my God, I'm sorry guys. I did not mean to throw up. That's disgusting. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. This is, we have so many. We're gonna collect so much slime. What are these? Okay, you get 3 different mini brands in each Mega Gross Mini. So let's open these up. What is this? Oh, ew! Look at that. It's rotten sushi. That's nasty. What's this? Ew! Someone put a booger on the golden coin. That's a big booger. Oh my God. Dude, are you serious? What happened to this guy's foot? This guy's got some bad athlete's feet. This is nasty. I like these ones. These are actually pretty cool. Why isn't this opening? There we go. We got more slime. More slime. Ew, that's nasty. So, which are the rare ones? Oh, we actually found a rare one. This shoe is apparently a rare one. Oh, these glow in the dark. Yeah, we found a rare one already. Let's open the second one. Oh my God, bro, there's a rat in my milk. It's rat milk. Look at that, that's nasty. Oh, this one's big. What is it? Oh, ew, a Pokemon. It's literally a Pokeball, but it's a poo. That's so funny, actually. Look at that. That's so cute. I like that a lot. Oh my God. Oh, wait, is this rare? Is this rare? No, it's not rare, unfortunately. It's off corn. It's like popcorn with like, I don't know, you can see, like that looks kind of gross, right? Like you can see what's inside there. Let's do one. There we go. More slime. Ooh, this one's big. Whoa, look at that. This is funny, I like this. It's a Funko Pop, but it's a farty pop. Fart-o-poop is what it's called. That's funny. What's this one? Ooh, ew, that's nasty. It's a Pickers with someone picking their nose. Ew, this is gross. I hate this one. I didn't even want to think of this was like a real thing. Look at this. McMaggots. Maggots in your fries from McDonald's. Nasty. Oh my God, this will not open it. We got more slime. We got Star Barf Coffee. Nice. Open the bag. What's this? Ooh, ew. It's a PS5 with acne. Look at that. That's nasty. Look at the backside. Oh, we got another shoe. This one's rare. We got another rare one. Nice. Ew. Ew. What is this? This is like an Oreo, but look at how nasty that is. So now we're going over my top 3 Mega Gross Minis I found. It's gotta be the rotten sushi, the poo Pokemon, and the PS5 with pimples on it. If you wanna buy any of these items, make sure to check out Showcase. That's where I got all this stuff from. You can check the link in the description for all the Mega Gross Minis, or come and shop in store. If you want more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.